of course, there is the growing use of automation in a whole variety of decisions in financial institutions, whether banks and insurance companies, whether to take on particular customers and use of automated analytics and robotic process automation, data analytics to decide whether to take customers on, to decide whether to give them particular products from both an insurance underwriting point of view and also, if you're a bank, whether to lend them money. And those uses of those technologies is growing, and you can understand why that is on the part of the financial service firms. They want better quality decision, more consistent decision making, and technology definitely provides that. Difficulty is it doesn't always get it right, and some of these technologies are technologies that even members of those financial institutions struggle to explain. And perhaps where with the old processes that we had, one person probably explained them. Now you need your friend from the analytics team, your friend from the IT team, and maybe a process expert as well to explain how an algorithm works, whereas before the processes were relatively simple. There is a human element to the use of technology, and it can have a negative impact, and people sometimes will feel aggrieved that the decisions that are arrived at with an overuse of technology. And I think a good financial service firm will appreciate that and make sure that it builds into the way it operates some processes that allow customers to challenge, not in a very bureaucratic way, but to challenge where they think information has been inappropriately used, or where inputs to particular decision-making engines have been misunderstood. And I think a good financial service firm will appreciate that and will build that into their processes. So in short, I think there is the human element and the use of technology, and definitely things can move forward and everybody can be happier. But we just need to make sure that the rights of individuals are respected in that.